All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to take a look at the leather case and the silicone case for the S22 Ultra. So, wow, these are, by me, long awaited because when I did my order, I just had the phone itself. And so I was very hesitant on buying these because the price on this leather case is ridiculous. And you can find silicone cases anywhere. However, these are the official cases direct from Samsung. I bought them. And after almost a month of waiting, Samsung finally decided to deliver them. So one advantage to having the official cases is that, you know, if you wanted to just have everything uniformed and not have the cutout around the camera, the way it exposes your phone a little bit, these are your option. There's probably other cases out there that have the cutout specifically like that, but I haven't done much looking. So just cut the seal on it before the video so I can easily slide it out. This is the way it'll come to you. Some other paperwork and stuff in here telling you how to put the phone in. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, but that's how they want you to do it. And like that, basically and on the power button side. So let's put this aside. Now the cases themselves, this is a thin case, and I can't wait to see how this is. This is a very thin case, but it's kind of hard in the center on the back portion. And it covers everything along the top and bottom, which is what I definitely like. It's very nice silicone, soft touch, matte feel to it. Really, really nice. You've got the soft microfiber material on the inside. I wouldn't say this is a drop protection case, but you know, I guess if you drop your phone in this, it technically should not get too much damage. So you can see each cutout for the camera here. There is a little shiny ring around those cameras if you can pick it up, and that's for your flash. A lot of times you'll see like a case that's black and they have a black shiny area around it, so it's flash, so it doesn't reflect back to you. And then you got all the individual cutouts here. So let's go ahead and pop it on and let's see if it totally makes my phone look different. So the only cutout you'll see now for the powder blue or the sky blue is just around that area right there for the LED, and it is deeply recessed. That's the only one that's deeply recessed, is that LED portion there. And you've got all the other sensors pretty much not exposed, but enough to where they're flush now to where it's not going to rock if you sit it on the table at all. And it is completely flat. A little bit of Samsung branding right there. You can see the S Pen cutout right here. Easy access to the S Pen. Very nice. The front has a little bit of lip protection on there. Buttons feel really good. This area right here is kind of thin. So let me grab a wireless charger real quick and check that wireless charging. See if I can get it to go on the first try. Boom, there's your wireless charging. So wireless charging will work with this. So, and I'm more than certain it'll definitely probably work with the leather case as well. And I didn't cut the seal on this one. Let's cut it real fast. All right, pop it open here. Again, the disadvantage to these cases is that they're really expensive. The leather case is really expensive. And that's just a part of the game. If you're going to do it, you got to make sure you get what you want. And if you spend a lot of money on your phone, you don't have to spend a lot of money on a case, but some people think you do. As leather is not as soft on this edge over here with the silicone, it has to be, you know, a little softer on that side, I would assume, because of the buttons. But this one is soft, but not nearly. Obviously, since this is leather around there, it's not nearly as soft. But this one's a lot harder, and it's going to be feel a little bit better. It's got obviously a lot more grip, and it's going to flow a lot better in your hand. This almost seems too slippery, you know, after holding this right here. But let's pop this on here. And the reason I went on ahead and got both, because I didn't want to have any doubts about if I just got the silicone or if I just got the leather. I didn't want to wait just in case they ran out of stock. And again, lo and behold, Samsung claims these were back ordered as soon as I hit purchase. So after almost a month of waiting, here it is. So let's go ahead and try leather charging. Let's try wireless charging real fast here. There we go. It should come on. There we go. And wireless charging obviously works. So these are the options you have. To me, these are the better options you have from Samsung when it comes to your device. This is a pretty nice leather case. I remember I bought the. This one's a lot harder to get off. I'll take it off after the video. But actually, let me see how it would be. There we go. Yeah, this one's a lot stiffer, so a lot harder to get off. You know, I'm curious how this leather will break in compared to my Z Flip 3 leather. My Z Flip 3's leather case was fantastic. It's a lot softer on the Z Flip 3. This one's definitely a lot harder. These are some nice options here. Now, of the two, I definitely prefer the leather case of these right here, just off of first impressions. But you know, I'm going to use them both on and off, and I'll stop using my other cases that I have for it. But overall, was it worth the wait? I'm not going to say whether it was worth the wait yet. I got to use these for at least a couple of weeks, and then follow up with you, or at least a week to follow up to see how I like it after daily usage. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.